Good morning. Larry Ash here from Dipless Brush Company, the world's first and only dipless paintbrushes. So I wanted to just educate everybody on spending. And you look at me like, spending? Yeah, spending. So let me take a minute and tell you. Spending is when you take your hard-earned money, I guess, and you put it towards something you want. That's spending. You bought something. Or you could take your time and you could give that time up. You've spent your time. So I wanted to tell everybody about spending, and I wanted to tell everybody about time, because that's our most valuable asset, and I hate to waste it because time's so valuable. So anyways, let me educate you a little bit on spending. So if you guys aren't dipless brushing, then you're spending your time doing things sort of the primitive way, where things are a little slower. These brushes are 4 to 10 times faster at applying and back brushing products. So you're actually spending your time dipping your brush, and all that time adds up. So you're losing time. Time's valuable again. So let's talk about savings. Okay, so let's talk about saving your time. So now you're going to do some painting, you're going to spray it, you're going to mask everything up with paper, tape, plastic. You've got to go spend your money on paper, plastic, and tape. Well, with our brushes, you don't need that. You just cut in around the door, cut in around the window, cut around the trim, whatever it is, and with the brush still attached, you can spray the open area and still back brush it at the same time if necessary, or if you want to, desired, however you want to do that. But also, you're not wasting your time. So you've had to take all that money, spend it on plastic, tape, and paper. Now you've had to spend your time, and you've had to plastic and paper everything up, and that takes time. So time's valuable, so we don't want to waste it. And so the other thing I wanted to tell you about spending is when you waste material. So traditional spraying wastes material. You're doing, say, deck railings. It goes between the railings. It gets caught in the airborne, and it goes down the street on the neighbor's car. It goes around the corner. It goes up over the fence you're spraying. So our brushes minimize or eliminate overspray, and therefore you have less wasted product. So you've spent money on product that went down the street on the neighbor's car and caused you a lawsuit, or on the neighbor's property, or didn't go where it was supposed to go, on the fence, on the siding, on the deck. So traditional methods of spraying waste product. So you've spent extra money on product that you wasted. So when we talk about spending, I like to look at everything as an investment. Are our brushes a little more than the average paintbrush? Certainly. They're not a paintbrush. They're actually a spray accessory. And therefore the price reflects that. But it's an investment. You invest in our tool, and our tool pays you back. You're not spending that time. You're not spending the resources on paper, tape, and plastic. You're not spending your time to paper, plastic, and tape things up that you can just cut in around and spray the open surface. Time is valuable. You can check these brushes out at diplessbrush.com, and you can see for yourself how minimal the overspray is. We've actually got some videos out there. Check them out at diplessbrush.com. Don't waste your time. Saving is so important. You can save in so many departments. You can save in so many ways, and our products are made for savings. In fact, we have replacement brush heads. So when you wear out the brush, you just replace the brush head. So again, you're saving. You're the consumer. We pass these savings on to you. So when you invest in a dipless brush, you can be rest assured throughout the process you're saving. And savings is important. Our time is very valuable. Let's not waste it. Check out our products at diplessbrush.com. Thanks.